Welcome to Wednesday. Here we are. We got a great workout for you, middle of the week. Good stress reliever day to get a workout in today. Okay, so we have for our warm-up, we're going to start off with 2 rounds. 30 seconds air squat, a 15-second break, 30 seconds a weighted front squat. Okay, so this is we say a backpack here, but you can have a dumbbell, a barbell, anything you got at home. Maybe your little kid could, you can pick them up. Logan, come over here. Up. Use one of these in the workout. Go. Rest, and then 30 seconds, backpack push press, dip drive. Again, this could be a dumbbell, barbell, any implement that you got going on today. After that, we're going to go into 2 rounds of Russian twist, sit-ups, and backpack sit-ups, a weighted sit-up. So if you have a medicine ball at home, you can use that, a sandbag, a small child or a dog. I'm sure they'd love to get involved, okay? So just get through these 2 rounds for your warm-up, and then let's get into our workout. And here's our workout today. We got another EMOM. We had one yesterday. We got another one today. 15 minutes today. Backpack thrusters, backpack sit-ups, and a rest built in today. Okay, so again, this can be any backpack. Could be a dumbbell, barbell, anything you'd like to do. You're going to do as many thrusters as you can in that minute, and then go right into as many as weighted sit-ups as you can, and then you're going to rest. Okay, so this is going to be a very intense workout today. You're going to really kind of push it for 2 minutes, take a minute off, push it again for 2 minutes, take a minute off. Okay, do your best to not fall off the cliff in this workout. Really easy to go out a little too hard in the beginning. Give yourself about 5 to 10 seconds of transition time, okay, of each round. Okay, score is total reps, and we do have a finisher today, a nice little yoga cool down. Here in our finisher, we're going to do a nice 5-minute yoga cool down. Just go through downward dog, up dog, and child's pose. If you are inexperienced in yoga, then feel free to add some extras in there, but we'll have a video that goes through this yoga flow. Okay? Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.